Worried about getting charged after your YouTube TV free trial? This video will show you exactly how to cancel it and avoid unwanted fees. First, open your web browser and go to YouTube. It's much easier to manage your subscription from a computer or a web browser on your phone than through the app itself. Once you're on the YouTube TV website, make sure you're signed into the Google account associated with your free trial. You'll see your profile picture or avatar in the top right corner if you're logged in. Now click on your profile picture in the top right corner to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, locate and click on Settings. On the Settings page, look for the Membership or Billing section in the left-hand navigation menu. This is where all your subscription details are located. Within the Membership section, you'll see details about your current free trial, and when it's set to expire, there should be a prominent button that says Cancel Membership or Manage Membership. Click on it. YouTube TV might try to offer you options like pausing your membership or extending your trial to fully cancel. Make sure to navigate through these prompts until you find the final cancel button or confirmation. Once you've confirmed your cancellation, you'll typically see a message confirming your membership has been canceled. You'll still have access to the service until your free trial period officially ends. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your YouTube TV free trial and avoided being charged. Remember to always cancel your free trials a day or two before they expire to be safe.